So this is Yusuf Farah for Computer Science 110, Mr. Wellness class, and this is problem 5 on Unit 2. And the way I started, the formula was A equals, it's right here, A equals P and 1 plus R and T at the top. So start gave me 10,000 for P, 12 for N, and 0.08 for R. And it didn't prompt me with a number for T, so I plugged in 5 for T, and it tells me and it asks me, then have the program prompt the user for the number of years T that the money will be compounded for. So to do that, I put input, and then I put the apostrophe, how many years has it been. So that putting input in front of it allows it to pop up before. And then below that line, I wrote print, and then the equation with all the variables, and all the variables are defined now. So it will allow it to solve the problem. And when you run the problem, it's, it's gonna pop up how many years it's been, which is the prompt that you needed to pop up. And when you press enter, it's gonna give you the answer for A, which in this case would be 14,898.457, blah blah blah. And